Okay, so this is day 4 of the Xbox. Haven't been able to get much done because it's not a weekend and I have some homework and yada yada, but the taking apart Xbox with the power supply and same thing you saw in the last video, the one before that, and before that, but whatever. Today I was working on the case part, and instead of having to use these two USB ports, I hooked these up, which I did it a weird way, because before I was going to actually solder it right to the board, but I decided I don't want to solder. So I spliced the cable that was originally there for the two USB ports, found two old USB plugs, and sort of used a multimeter to figure out which one goes where, and hooked this up. And so, with me all these stuff on the ground. But if I was to I'll hook these up now and show you. This just saves me some time and leaves the USB ports on here in case anything goes wrong. And see, just hooked up to the front two USB ports. And then pretty much all I did was make a USB extender. But I made it with the default one from the case. And as you know, Xbox works. Starts up. But that's not the reason I'm doing the video, that was last video. Or no, wait, video before. And yesterday's was showing you the system, or the dashboard version, but if I plug it, actually I'll do this one because it's brighter. If I plug this in, it lights up. And same with that one. That's pretty much it. Yeah, follow it, goes inside the case. Yeah, it just saves me some soldering time, and again, soldering iron's not wanting to work, so. And you can have one and two going. See? And I can even unplug it from here, if I can do it one-handed, and plug it back in, and the thumb drive will light up, just to show it. But yeah, that works. Another step closer. But I also, yeah, I showed this last time. Got an old parallel LPT printer cable, and these are the wires I need to hook up to the console to JTAG it. But I need to pick up some switching diodes and some 100 ohm resistors. Don't know where the heck I'm gonna get switching diodes, but whatever. USB ports work. Yeah, the fan I actually switched around so it blows air this way instead of sucking it out, so I can actually put my hand on it. And there. That's getting a little hot, but still bearable. It's just because it's not in the case yet, and there's this fan which isn't sucking it out, and this one's sucking it. Actually, I'm not sure if I'll have it sucking the air through it or back. But yeah. And DVD drive still works. So yeah, that's about it. And I'll end it with the Xbox startup, just to be random.